Hello everybody! Welcome to Ishuri ry'Icyongereza YouTube channel. Tubahaye ikaze kuri YouTube channel yitwa Ishuri ry'Icyongereza. If this is your first time, you are mostly welcome to hit the button subscribe after following this lesson. Niba ari ubwa mbere ugeze kuri iyi channel, ntibagirwe gukanda hepfo handitse ngo subscribe. Nyuma yo kureba rino somo. My name is Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu from Rwanda. Nitwa Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm going to continue teaching you 500 English phrases that we use in spoken English. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha interuro ngiye gukomeza kubigisha interuro 500 tuzakoresha mu gihe cy'ibiganiro. Last time we started by 10 ways of answering to thank you. Ubushize twagarukiye aho dusubiza umuntu yashatse gusubiza umuntu umubwiye ngo thank you uko avuga. Reka twibukiranye ni gute washimira umuntu. Let us remind ourselves the way you can thank someone. Thanks. Murakoze. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. Murakoze cyane. Ni nko kuvuga inshuro miliyoni. Ubwo ni uburyo bwo gushimira cyane. Thanks a million. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Urakoze kubw'ubufasha bwawe. Thanks for helping me. Urakoze kumfasha. I really appreciate it. Ndabyishimiye cyangwa ndabibashimiye cyane n'ukuri. I really appreciate it. Ndabyishimiye rwose. I'm really grateful. Rwose ndagushimiye. I'm really grateful. That's so kind of you. Nukurungiriye neza cyane. That's so kind of you. Nukurungiriye neza cyane. I can't thank you enough. Sinabasha kugushimira bihagije. I can't thank you enough. Sinabasha kugushimira bihagije. I owe you one. Umuntu ubwira ngo I can't thank you enough biba bisobanuye ngo umushimiye ibintu by'ingenzi cyane yagukoreye. Iyo umuntu ubwiye ngo I can't thank you enough umushimiye ibintu by'ingenzi cyane yagukoreye. Number 10, I owe you one. I owe you one bisobanuye this means that you need a favor for the other person in the future. Biba bisobanuye ko umuntu ukugiriye neza nawe uzamwituriye neza akugiriye. I owe you one. Turebe noneho, let us look at 10 ways to respond to thank you. Reka turebere hamwe uburyo 10 wasubiza thank you. You're welcome. Nawe urakoze. You're welcome. Nawe urakoze. No problem. Nta kibazo. No problem. Nta kibazo. No worries. Nta mpungenge. No worries. Nta mpungenge. Don't mention it. Wishimira. Nyine kwa kuni si ngombwa ko ni kwa kuni uhabwira umuntu ngo si ngombwa kunshimira. Don't mention it. Wishimira. My pleasure. My pleasure. Biranshimishije. Anytime. N'ikindi gihe. Anytime. N'ikindi gihe. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. Ako kari akantu gatoya nabashije gukora. Glad to help. Biranejeje kugufasha. Glad to help. Biranejeje kugufasha. Sure. Sure. Nibyo. Thank you. thank you ni nko kuvuga ngo ni igihe nawe umushimiye ni ukuvuga ngo nawe urakoze. Thank you nawe urakoze.